Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can connect your Grove account to your Google Drive account. It is really easy and you just have to follow along. Firstly, you have to go to this link. This link is already provided in the article. Once you're here, you will be directed to pipedream.com. I already have a Pipedream account, so I'm logged in. I just have to click on copy so that this workflow is copied to my Pipedream account. I'll quickly rename the workflow. In case you don't have a Pipedream account, then you don't have to worry. Creating a Pipedream account is fairly simple. Now, as a first step of building this workflow, I have to set up a trigger. To set up your trigger, you have to click on create source so that you can have a webhook URL. Now, when you click on create source, once it is finished executing, you will get a webhook URL. Here it is. Just copy this URL. I will be using this template to add the webhook. I'll add the webhook here. I'll name it Grove to Google Drive. I'll add the webhook URL here. I'll select the trigger event. I'll add my email. In case the webhook fails, I will get a notification. Yes, it is done. Now, once we've set up a trigger, it is time to test our trigger. As you can see, it is saying listening for HTTP request. That means it is listening for triggers. Let's send a test trigger. And trigger is basically PDF generation. So we'll just generate a PDF for the simple form. You can have a complex form as well. It is not an issue. This is just for demo purposes. This is the document preview. I'll download the PDF. I'll hit yes. Great. Now the PDF is generated. When I go to my Pipedream workflow, I can see that this information was sent to Pipedream by Grove. This is all the detail of your particular document. Now, I don't have to go into details. I'll just set up the action now. I will connect my Google Drive account. I have previously connected, that's why my account is already here. Otherwise, you'll have to connect your Google Drive account. Then you have to go and fill the file URL. You just have to go to event, then body, payload, document, PDF, and you have to select the path where it says value. You'll see that this is inserted here. Next, in MIME type, you just have to write application/PDF. And don't worry about what I'm writing here. I will also write it step by step in the article, so you don't have to worry about it. I'll put the file name as Grove tutorial by. I prefer to keep my file name as a variable, not static, because if we generate multiple forms, multiple documents, then all of them will have the same name in your Google Drive as well. So it is better to create variable. I'll use one of the variable from my template only. I'll use a name variable. I'll select value. I'll click on select path. This is done. So every time a document is generated, let's say the name is Utkarsh, so it will say Grove tutorial by Utkarsh. If the name is Sam, it will say Grove tutorial by Sam. Again, I'll recommend you to have a separate folder in your Google Drive where you can capture all the responses. So I'll click on add folder. I'll go to Google Drive. I've already created this folder, Grove responses. I'll copy this folder's ID from this link and I'll quickly paste it here. And we are done. That's it. Don't forget to switch on the trigger. Then hit save. Then your workflow is saved here. Now deploy your workflow. And immediately it will say generate events to trigger workflow code. Now let's go ahead and generate a document. We'll go here again. Let's keep it Sam. Let's keep it Ubuntu.com. Here is the document preview. I'll hit download PDF. Once this is submitted, now we should have some sort of confirmation in Pipedream, which is here. You can see all the logs of the event here. Now, as we've generated once, this is the timestamp for when this complete workflow worked. Now, we should also check our Google Drive to see if that particular document is reflected here. And here it is, Grove tutorial by Sam, because I used the value name here. This is a variable. If you want to see, you can see this is the document. So thank you for watching. This was it. This is how you can connect your Grove account to Google Drive account. In case you have any issues or you face any problem while setting up, you can reach out to us by simply chatting to us by clicking on this chat widget, or you can write to us at grove.app@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.